In this video, I'll show you how you can make a YouTube community post on your phone. You can even do it on your iPad as well. Any mobile device really, I'll show you how to do it. Now the first thing you need to understand, you can't actually make any community posts until you've reached 1k subscribers. So if you're under 1k subscribers at the minute, just keep uploading videos, keep making content, and try and get to 1000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm not sure why they limit it to only people with 1000 subscribers, but that is the threshold and that's what I'm telling you here now. Now once you've got 1000 subscribers, you might try and rush to go to the community feature here, but you might not find it. It took around a week for it to appear in my YouTube channel, so if you've only just reached 1000 subscribers, be patient, you will see it eventually. Now if you want to try and find it, what you need to do, you need to go to your channel in the top right hand corner, then go to my channel, and here you'll be on your YouTube channel. Now if you just go to the top bar up here and you scroll to the left, you'll see the community tab here, so go ahead and click on that and it's going to take you here to the community tab. Here you can go and post to your fans and you can schedule posts as well. So if you go to post here, which is the blue button, we can then write a post. So if I write here, this is a test, I then have a couple of options. I can then click on the clock icon in the top right hand corner and I can go ahead and schedule this for a future date. You can also go back here, you can also just go and post it straight away. So I can click post and it will go out to all of my subscribers. I've also got an option here to go and add a poll. So if I click on the poll feature in the bottom left hand corner, we can go and write a poll to my subscribers. And I can also add an image by clicking the button next to that. So that's pretty much all you need to know about making a community post on your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like and I'll see you all in the next one.